When prompted by the GTXpro for a flushing foam replacing error, the printer will show the screen above. To verify which prompts you currently have on the printer, from standby, press the right arrow key to view the prompts. For this particular process, ensure that the flushing foam replacing color/white prompts or errors are both present, and take note of the others if more prompts or errors are present. First, ensure that you have the proper supplies needed to perform the replacement task. You will need gloves, GTX cleaning solution, a cleaning solution cup, 2 cleaning stick R, a lint-free towel, rounded tweezers, and a set of flushing foams. If the printer is prompting for both white and color replacements, you will need a set of flushing foam. Start by filling the cleaning solution cup with GTX cleaning solution 3/4 of the way full. Make sure to wear gloves during the entire replacement process. From standby mode, press any arrow key or menu OK until we have maintenance highlighted, and then press menu OK. In this submenu, we will select Maintenance Parts Clean Replace and press menu OK. Within this next submenu, we will highlight Error and Warning Parts and press menu OK. This will reset the internal counter for all prompts/errors that are displayed. Make sure to perform the required maintenance for all prompts/errors after selecting Error and Warning Parts. Then press menu OK to continue. The platen will then move in and out, and the print heads will undock from the maintenance station. You will be notified that you have 15 minutes to complete any pending items for the maintenance process, inclusive of the flushing foam replacement that we will be focusing on in this video. Be prepared to complete all items within the allotted time. Turn the power off by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep. Now that the printer is off, open the lid of the printer to access the cap and wiper area. Before proceeding to replace the flushing foams, it is best to always look at the internal area of the printer in regards to the back CR rail, rollers, and/or guide shaft to judge the level of ink mist buildup they may have, and if it is time for periodic maintenance. There is a separate video for cleaning the internal area of the printer. This information is also located in the manual. This is only a reminder of this instance being a good time to check for ink mist buildup. After checking the internal areas of the printer, slowly move the carriage to the right to access the flushing receivers. Reach in and squeeze the receiver arms and lift straight up. Place the flushing foam receiver onto the towel in your prepped work area and remove the flushing foam from the tray. Take a cleaning stick R, dip it into GTX cleaning solution, and begin cleaning the inner parts of the tray where waste ink drains. If there is any excess ink or debris on the outside of the receiver, be sure to clean it off. Especially check around the top where the print heads pass over the receivers. Use the rounded tweezers to remove dried ink buildup on the receiver. Ensure that the bottom hole is always free and open for ink to pass through so that the tray can drain easily. Dried ink stalactites can form on the bottom of the flushing foam drain hole and will be hard to remove if you try to use your fingers. These can be most effectively removed with rounded tweezers. Start swabbing around the drain hole and then all over the outside of the receiver. If necessary, you can use a lint-free wipe to help clean the receiver. With the receiver cleaned, you may now take the replacement flushing foam and insert it into the receiver. Ensure that it is flush and not bent or skewed in a way that would cause it to stick up and possibly touch the print head. Take the entire receiver with the new flushing foam and insert it back into the maintenance station in the direction shown. Be sure that each arm piece hooks over the notch. We will now repeat this process for the CMYK side flushing foam. You may use a new cleaning stick R for this process. However, you can also use an already used cleaning stick R and the same GTX cleaning solution that was used on the white side. Finish by inserting the CMYK side flushing foam and receiver into the printer. Be sure to dispose of the used flushing foam and cleaning stick R as waste ink material in accordance with local and state waste management policies. Dispose of the remaining GTX cleaning solution into the waste tank. With both flushing foams replaced, close the lid of the GTXpro and power the printer back on to ensure there are no additional prompts or errors.